Hello, let us go to the unfiltered analysis of the Mureka. Mureka, a very popular and fresh AI tool, is a AI music generator. It is a very simple AI tool without any technicality. No need to install, just log in and you are ready to go. Upon opening Mureka website, you would see on the left the options to play with. Options are Home, Create, Library, Subscribe. We don't have to do anything with Subscribe option. In Subscribe, there are ways to get more credits, which I will inform you at the end. Now is the time to dig deep in what they offer for free. First, upon clicking the home, we get quite attractive homepage which shows on the top the trending songs. As we move our eyes below the trending songs, we get a lot of genre, hip hop, R&B, pop, and etc. Under them, we get a whole list of unending new songs, but you need credits to enjoy a decent number of songs. With free version, you can use 2 or 3, and that too only once. After that, you have to get credits. They are giving you 2 credits for free. Second, we have a create option, which is where real test of the software begins. It is divided into 2 parts. One is song creation, other is instrumental sound creation, both having basic and advanced version. Basic version and advanced version both are almost limited by credits. In basic version, just write the song and have it in any version such as rock, pop, EDM, and etc. Let's write a song. Hello, let us go to the end of the world. In pop, you can observe that there is an option further assisting this song, a vibrant romantic song about sharing a magical kiss. So these are the options. This is the option which is going to help you more. Let's go towards the advanced version. To be honest, I love it. It guides you to write a full song. Look at shows either you want chorus, verse, or other elements. With that, it gives you ideas for new line. But also an option to finish these lyrics. At the sidebar, there are options of any reference song you want to take help of. Or you want to add your vocal or describe the music style you are aiming for. Or there is melody ideas which are purely under Pro Plan. In instrumental basic version, we get beats of our own choice, although prompts are available according to the different needs like vlogs, broadcast, animation, ad brands, but it can be custom too. Advanced version is under Pro Plan but a real gene. It is a real gene. It adds beat to your audio sound and it is like real song generating tool. Third is library, where all of your work is visible. Bad news is you cannot download any song for free. I feel frustrated about that, to be honest. Fourth, we have subscribe button, but there is a basic plan and pro plan. Again, credits, you can invite a friend, but they giving just 2 credits for that. At the end of this tutorial, I would say that it is a wonderful AI song generator, but there is nothing to play for those who want to use it for free. Mureka must need to give more credits to those who are using it for free and first time, so that they can explore the true potential of this AI song generator, which I think is wonderful but useless to some extent because of its limited free version. Thank you so much.